Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Felipe. In this video, I'm gonna show you the one thing you need to learn English naturally. Let's go. So make English a habit. That's it. That's all you need. It's the only way to learn English. Make it a habit. What is a habit? A habit is something you do often, many times. When you make English part of your routine, you learn a little bit every day. Maybe you get 1% better every day. So 1% feels very little, very small in one day or 1 week, 2 weeks, after 1 month. 1% is very little. But after 10 months, after 1 year, after 2 years, this little bit every day, this 1% every day becomes very big. And that's how you start to understand and speak English naturally, fluently. It clicks. You practice, 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 and then it clicks. You start doing it naturally. Look, it's like riding a bike when you are a kid. At first, you need help. It's difficult. You think you can't do it, but you continue to practice every week. And after some time, you don't need help anymore. Now you can do it. It's natural. You feel good about it. It's simple. So with English, it's the same. In the beginning, it's difficult. You think you can't do it. You need a lot of help. But if you continue to practice every day, after some time, you start understanding and speaking naturally and fluently. A lot of people don't have the patience or the discipline or the motivation to continue practicing. So they stop before they become fluent. But it's automatic, guys. If you don't stop for 1 year, 2 years, you're practicing every day, it will come. English will become easy to you. Your goal is to speak English, to communicate in English easily and naturally. That's very clear. The goal is very clear. But the goal is not very important. What is really important is how much time you usually practice, how much time you spend in contact with English. If you don't have time to make English part of your routine, if you don't have time to make it a habit, you will not become fluent. Remember that. This is important. So, how can you make English a habit? How can you make English part of your life? Here are some ideas you can add to your routine. Watch YouTube videos in English. Find videos around your level, especially listening and reading. It's very important. We're going to talk about listening and reading in just a moment. Watch movies, series, or TV programs, if you like TV programs. Use subtitles to help you. It's okay. You can use subtitles in your language or in English if they help you. Read texts online. This is a very good one. Or read books. Try to find books and texts around your level. They can help you a lot. Listen to music in English. Translate the lyrics of the songs to your language. This will help you with new vocabulary. Music can help you a lot with pronunciation, because when you are singing, you are trying to copy the artist. So it helps you with pronunciation. Use Google Translate to learn new words and expressions. Take notes on a notebook. Take an English course. When you take a course, you usually have more discipline to practice. Okay, so think about it, guys. Make English part of your life. Persist. Don't give up. And naturally, you will become fluent. Now let's get back to listening and reading. And why are they so important? When you learn English, it's good to listen and read like you are doing right now in this video. Yeah, you're listening to me, you're reading the text. These two things help you a lot. Listening helps you hear how people speak. You can learn new words and how to say them. You also learn the right way to say sentences. When you listen, you can understand English better. Reading helps you see how words look. You have the visual contact with the language. You can learn how to spell words. You also learn how to write sentences. When you read, you can understand English better. Better learning. When you listen and read every day, you learn more. You have more contact with the language. This helps you remember words and sentences better. More practice. Practice makes perfect. The more you are listening and reading, the more you are practicing your English. Confidence. When you listen and read every day, you feel more confident. You understand English better. You can speak and write better too. Felipe, but I don't think I'm getting better. I don't see the results. Remember, guys, you're getting better a little bit every day. You don't see the results after 2 weeks, 2 months, but after 1 year, 2 years, the results are automatic. Try to add some of these things to your routine, guys. Make English part of your life. You can practice more listening and reading, watching this video. I'm sure it will help you. Check it out. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.